Hi guys, this is Tejas and today we'll be talking about the boAt earphones, and this is the regular earphones in the 500 range, and it says that this is specially for bass head. So people who like bass can definitely go for this. So what we'll do is we'll quickly unbox this and we'll see what's inside the box. So the box contains the earphones, the ear plugs, and I can see a clip. So boAt has also given these different kind of ear tips which we can use, and this is the clip which I was talking about. So let's have a quick look, and this would be a short video about these earphones, and I'll quickly test this earphones and I'll give my final verdict on this. So this is nice tangle free wire, and it also says that it's a one button microphone, extra super bass, and it also answers the phone as well. So that's again a plus point for the for users who like to take calls on the earphones. So I would say that the build quality is nice. This is the flat wire which nowadays every company gives, and this is the branding over here. And if you have a closer look to this is made up of metal. So guys, I checked this earphones, and trust me, the boAt 225 are bang on earphones, and the bass is very high. And I would say that if you are listening at the higher volume, the sound might come out of the ears, and that might distract the guy sitting next to you. So one thing I didn't like about this is the bass is as it says extra bass, but it crackles at the high volume. So if you see the review of Sony, the extra bass, the XB series, the bass is deep and punchy even if you are listening at the higher volume. Again, as I said, this is definitely a good buy in the 500 price range. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe my channel, and you have a great day. Bye bye.